All right, y'all, I've been homesick for a week. I've had bronchitis. So I'm kind of walking around the house deep cleaning stuff. This is that thing that's in your Whirlpool pull out where you put your detergent. I want you to look at this funk that I just noticed because I'm too short to see up in there. So I was just kind of deep cleaning, Clorox and some stuff. And I'm like, oh my God, look at that. So I realized with this little thing right here, you can pull it out. So I thought, okay, I'm going to soak this in some bleach because I do love bleach. So gross, how gross is that? All right, well, wait a minute. I thought if this looks this bad, let's get over here. And since I could pull this thing out, look what I found in there. Can y'all see that? That is so gross. I'm just about to have a heart attack. I mean, I've just sprayed some bleach in there, but what? Who knew? Okay, everybody. Go to your pull-out thing, pull-out dishwasher, or you know what this stupid thing is, y'all? Washing machine, and look and see what kind of funk might be in your little dispenser. And I do love this. I don't know. Now I'm looking at other things in here like very suspiciously. Everything's under suspect. Honey, what are you hiding in there? Are you hiding in something that needs to be bleached? Honey baby? All right, y'all. Home improvement video Monday.